All right, so I just bought this monitor, the LG. I have an Acer, but the problem with the Acer is 1080p and the pixels are huge. So as you can see here, we have the AMD FreeSync. We have the HDR. If you have an iPhone, you will have that feature, and also the stand. So as you can see here, you can tilt it like that, and then you can move it up and down. And we have the Ultra QHD resolution, 3440 by 1440. So that is the front of the box. That is the other side, as you can see here. And we're going to take it out of the box, test it, and see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, this is the back of the monitor. So I'll show you, this is the model, just in case, if you want to see serial number, everything. So here you have the model. Hopefully you can see it very well. Right, so besides this, here we have the ports. So basically we use here the USB ports. If you want to use if you want to connect, let's say, a thumb drive or something else, here we have the display port, and we have here two HDMIs. Here we have the power input. So as you can see, here we have the power brick. So this is great in case if you have a motorhome, boat, or something like that, and you want to run it, with the battery. That is a good thing. Here we have the output for the audio jack, and that's it. So basically here we have the locking mechanism. So basically you put this like this, that here, see it, and that's it. So if you want to remove it, all you have to do is pull this out, and that's it. So here we have the base, the feet, the foot. So basically you put this like that, you screw this in, and that's it. In this case, I'm going to put it in the box again. So here you have the cord, I mean the power brick, so that way you can see the voltage. So here we use 19 volts, 3 amps, and that's it. So if you have for instance, a motorhome, boat, or anything like that, you can buy one of those boosters from 12 volts to 19 volts, and you can make it work like that. It comes with the wires, with the cables, the HDMI, and that's it. So here we have the joystick. So if you want to control it from here,